Today we want to start in unit number 2. Unit number 2, that is projection of points and straight lines and planes of lesson number 2. Lesson number 2. But in the previous session already we discussed about what is the difference between first angle and third angle. Now we want to discuss about what are the different positions with respect to principal planes, how the different type of positions with respect to reference planes, how the point allocate. Suppose here this is HP and VP. Suppose point A is here. We want to say that the point is on HP and in front of VP. On HP and in front of VP. Suppose the point lies here. So the point is in first quadrant, nothing but first angle position. So this is above HP and in front of VP. Suppose the point C lies here. Suppose the point position is on VP and above HP. Why? Because above HP and on VP. Suppose the point is here. So the point D is in second quadrant. That's why this is above HP and behind of VP. Suppose the point is E is here. This is on HP and behind of VP. Suppose the point is here, F. This is in third quadrant. That's why this is below HP and behind of VP. Suppose the point is here, G. This is on VP and below HP. Suppose the point is here, H. The point is here. This is in front of VP and below HP. This is in fourth quadrant. Suppose the point is here. This is I. This is on HP and on VP. So that's why there are 9 different positions. See, A is on HP in front of VP. B above HP and in front of VP. C on VP and above HP. D, that is behind of VP and above HP. E on HP and behind of VP. F below HP behind of VP. G on VP and below HP. H in front of VP and below HP. I on HP and on VP. Now suppose the point is A. Here we want to represent front view. The notation is A dash. So A dash. Suppose the point is A. The top view notation is A. Suppose the point is A. Side view notation is A double dash. Please remember that point is A. Its front view we want to represent by the symbol A dash. This is point is represented by the uppercase, but projections are for lowercase. So suppose the point is P. We want to show the front view, that is a P dash, small case P dash. Top view is P and side view is P double dash. In this way we want to represent front view, top view, side view. Front view, top view, side view. These are with respect to point A. In the same way, what are the points B and C and D? The same way we want to represent it. Now, suppose here we want to start the problems from NDBUT textbook of page number 193, exercise number 9. Already we circulated to you what are the problems in front of you. The first problem, draw the projections of the following points on the same ground line, keeping the projectors 25 millimeter apart. Here projector is nothing but the line joining front view and top view of a point. That line is called as projector. Suppose this is the XY line. Here suppose the point is A. Its front view is like, suppose here this is front view. Here this is top view. So here the line joining front view to top view of any point, this line is called as projector. The characteristic of projector is it is perpendicular to XY. See, remember that the projector is nothing but the line joining front view and top view of a point, and thus must be perpendicular to XY line. That is called projector. So keeping the projector 25 millimeter apart. Now we want to practice suppose A and B only. Suppose here question number 1. First draw the projection. Projections is nothing but you want to draw front view and top view of a point. So that's why suppose point is A. Before that, on the same ground line, nothing but simply same XY line, keeping the project 25 millimeter apart means first you want to draw a line in this way, a straight line, so much of distance. Here there is no nothing but restriction, so much of line first you want to draw them XY. So here this is VP and HB, this is called reference line. Before that, by using scale upon this line, you want to give 25 millimeter, but 2.5 centimeter gap. Here, suppose you want to start here. From here 2.5 put the point, next 2.5 put the point, next 2.5 put the point, next 2.5 put the point. In this way you want to put the points. Now you want to draw projector of point A is here, projector of point B is here. Why? Because the gap between these two is 25 millimeter gap here. So here point A, so its front view is A dash. So point A means front view is A dash, top view is A. See, remember that. Here this is point A. Suppose point B, front view is A dash, so B dash, top view is B. So that's why A is in the HP. Suppose point is in the HP, its front view is lies on XY. So front view means what? A dash. So A dash is here only. Why? Because point is on HP. On HP means front view is on XY. Next 20 millimeter behind of VP. In front means below, behind means above. Here in front means, so suppose this is A, the point is on HP. On HP means suppose you are the observer, you want to look at this one, this is front view. Front view is on XY line. That's why front view is on XY line. 20 millimeter behind of VP. This is VP, behind of VP. That's why point is here only. Why? Because this is on HP, behind of VP. On HP is there and behind of the point A is here. So that's why front view is appears like this one. That's why on XY line. But top view, when you want to look this point here downwards, its top view is here. When you want to rotate this line goes up. That's why here how much gap this is 20 millimeter. So 20 millimeter above you want to represent. So this is A. So this is called projector. This is front view. This is top view. This gap is 20 mm. This gap is 20 mm. So point A projections are over. Next point B, 40 millimeter above HP, 25 millimeter in front of VP. B above HP, in front of VP. Look at this picture here. Point B is above HP, in front of VP. So that's why its location is here. So how much this is 40 millimeter above HP, 25 millimeter in front of VP. So that's why in the front view, when you look at this in this direction, its front view appears here. This gap is how much? 40. So 40 millimeter. That's why here 40 millimeter you want to extend the line. That is B dash. This gap is 40 millimeter. So front view is 40 millimeter above XY. 25 millimeters in front of VP. 25 millimeters in front of VP. When you want to see in the top view direction, is top view appears here, but due to rotation of the planes, this top view comes here below of XY. That's why top view 25 millimeter, here 25 millimeter down, you want to represent. This is B. This gap is 25 millimeter gap. So in this way, this is A projection, this is point B projection, this is point C projection, this is point D projection, this is point E, point F. In this way, upon the same line, you want to produce one by one. Every projector you want to meet in the gap is 25 mm, 25 mm, 25 mm, 25 mm. So next goes to question number 2. Let's type in.